TerraGrunt.
Yeah, TerraGrunt, I believe it's a wrapper only.
Hmm.
So what our plan is and what we used to do is that we'll create a child module.
Mhm.
Let's say you have networking, so everything will create a child module, and let's say you have a production environment or dev environment, you just import that whole module and will variabilize everything, and according to how much subnet you want, so according to your variables, the whole logic will get changed, and identical that code you will be used, and according to that resource will get created. So the networking section, then compute section or EKS section, everything will be like will create child module and then use that into main file, and every like environment will having a separate main file, and will like maintain a directory structure for every environment. So our plan is that so it
Okay.
will you will be by using this we'll be following reusable component kind of feature to not repeat yourself. The coding best practice we can follow using that.
Yeah, that's what we need. Okay. So if we wanted to, if we are taking the whole of the environment offline, and if we wanted to deploy it, right? If we have the Terraform file, it is easy to deploy, isn't it? Will that work like that?
Yeah, it will work like that only.
Okay. And at the same time, we can have a Terraform file to scrap the whole of the environment, right? Or the whole
Yes,
of the infrastructure. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
it
We
will work
shall
like that
have
only.
both. Yeah, we shall have both in the prepared. Okay, let's have that included in the project plan. Okay, so
Okay.
what is the plan? So architecture diagram is anyway, you have come up with something. Shall we put everything on the project plan,
Yeah,
project tracker?
Actually, we have created the very high level plan, roadmap plan, right? Where we created for the this IAC part, this CI/CD part, like everything we have created in a very high level part, high level view. But yeah, we'll update that in your sheet, the way you have like mentioned, na. But we
Hmm.
found that the way you were maintaining this roadmap plan, na, that was quite high level. We wanted to make it in a very segregated way, right? So
Right.
the thing is na, it will be more like explanatory way.
Okay. Okay.
So we have created like that, and yeah, we'll update that sheet by today itself, right?
so basically, that there are a lot of Terraform tasks will get created. Creation of child module for networking, and in networking also it require a lot of resources like VPC. You will create subnet. All of those child modules you will get create. So we'll break every single thing and then we'll create the task. So our plan is that currently it is very high level.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's put that on the paper. Okay, let's put that on the tracker.
We have created
So
something. I just
whatever.
want to showcase you.
So,
Uh,
so
Hi, Srikant. Actually, we have created this task. We just want to show you.
Share your
Wait,
screen.
I'm sharing my screen.
yeah, please.
So yeah, actually we have created very high level. Okay, so like initiation and architecture, project foundation, like that. Task and subtask. We have just divided it like something like this: task and subtask, right?
Let's have a
SCA.
user story also there. After
Like,
Epic, maybe user story.
sorry.
Mm. After Epic, in between task and Epic, right? We shall have user story.
Yeah, we'll
That is,
definitely add that. We'll add that. We just want to show you this task and subtask part, like how we
sure.
like segregated this. Architecture design will be this. Subtask and network setup will be VPC, subnet, IGW, NAT, and security group. Then IAM roles,
Yeah.
task execution, and service role. So like that, I am saying to you, like it won't make any difference. But the thing is, it will be more clear to you guys, like on which task or on which resources we are working, right? So
Right.
yeah, we'll update this in this way, like only, right? Task and subtask way. Okay.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
And let's have this updated in our project tracker. I think you already have the link for
Yeah,
that.
yeah, we have created it separately in our like own drive, but yeah, we'll update in our like this project sheet.
Yeah. So today we also shall figure it out on who have the free tier account on cloud.
Okay,
You can check with the team.
okay, we'll check with the
Yeah,
team.
that will be helpful if we get as soon as possible.
And one more thing for the this task, right? We'll be going with this Terraform, right? CI/CD for the GitHub action,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
for the EKS is for the dev, and for the prod, we go with the ECS, right?
So currently, I believe we'll start with this Kubernetes, no? The task
For
will
the
create.
deployment.
Yeah, the task will which will create as of now will because we cannot work on both the stack because each stack is like quite lengthy to
Yeah.
work on. We need to create Terraform child module for each of the component.
Okay.
Hello. So you
So, like Deepak meant to say that, like currently we'll have to focus on this EKS part only, right?
Correct. That's right.
Once we'll like done with this, then we can go for the this prod way, prod for and for that we're gonna choose this ECS.
Okay. Yeah. That's what has been discussed. And it looks like if we wanted to have multiple Terraform files created, it would
yes.
take longer time to deploy, right? Instead, without Terraform, why don't we go with the manual creation so that everybody will be having
Idea.
that experience, okay, on how things are created on cloud.
Yeah, we
And then
yeah, if
once we
that
have the application running up and running, then we can go in phase two, we can go with Terraform.
yeah, yeah, I
Is that
believe
okay?
yeah, that's look good because
Mhm.
Terraform creation will take time. Few of the things we can make generic and we can create like CI/CD pipeline in a way. We can just deploy using that. We can build all the CI checks and then we can deploy directly to Kubernetes. That flow we can follow. And
Perfect. Perfect.
let me. So, Shrikant, anyone from the team will
Yeah,
like
Rahul
provide.
wanted to say something.
Yeah, Rahul, please say some.
I do have one question, or maybe you guys have more advice on that one. What if we can do if there are like 7 to 8 models or 10 models under the VPC or in our architecture diagram? So can we distribute for each member or two of each? So that can be reduce the
Yeah,
time and that can be like help us to get more understanding on the Terraform because module is the only main part as per my understanding, and rest of the syntax and rest of the variables are already predefined on console, right, in a documentation. So only so this is how we can basically reduce the time by
yeah,
change.
Rahul.
Yeah.
That sounds good, but we tried that in the past.
Okay.
But when we have dependency on the team members, right? One thing what we have noticed was not everybody are regular. Okay,
Oh,
it will be on hold from somebody's end. So what we are doing now is the initial complete end-to-end deployment will be taken care by the architects.
okay.
Okay, and then in the work we'll start the workshop. In the workshop, everybody will be working on every task. And if you
Okay.
are you will be working offline, or if you have any blockers, you will be coming up with the questions and get those resolved when the architects are available during the session time. Okay,
Okay.
so so that we don't have the initial deployment delay. Okay,
Okay.
last time we tried to distribute the tasks We'll be anyway distributing the tasks during the workshop. You can
Got
be
it.
primary for few and secondary for the other epics.
Yeah, I can understand about the continuity and responsibility taken by the particular
Yeah,
candidate. Yeah, got
yeah.
it.
Otherwise, a simple project which can be closed within a week's or 10 days time will
Yeah,
take
definitely.
months. Yeah,
No, agree with you, Srikant.
yeah. Thanks, Rahul. And guys, who has the cloud account, free tier, or haven't created yet? It will
I
be good.
had,
Good.
I need to
Mm-hmm.
create one.
Great, great. So, okay. So, um, Deepak and Ayush, Rahul will help us with the cloud account. Make sure that we
Okay.
scrap everything out without it creating any billing.
Hmm.
I think there are certain resources which doesn't come under free tier, so we should be careful there.
Okay, okay, Srikant.
So
And
it's a free tier account or like you are paying for that account?
He hasn't created the account yet. He is going to do it. It will be a free tier.
Okay, so like it is very obvious when yeah like will be working, then we'll be creating cluster and it will get charged. But how we can save is that at the end of the day we can like bring down all of the resources what we have created.
Yes, we need to do that.
Yeah, as for my past experience, like if you create free tier account, like it lasts for close to 3 months, 2.5 and 3 months. If you don't
Mm.
pay, and if you want that account, like if it get like got from you, like it got banned because you are not paying. So like like make account in a way like if it goes, it doesn't affect.
Yeah, sure. Deepak. I got your point. I will
Yeah.
try to do that and try in the evening, in night. Okay.
Yeah, so it will take obvious 48 hours so that we can create resources. So as soon as you can
I think
do,
yeah, it takes some time to
yeah,
make
we
that
cannot
configuration.
launch load balancers or clusters directly. It will take 48 hours. So we have like weekends. So probably if you create that, so
Though
it will
tomorrow is this
whole.
weekend, so yeah.
So yeah, after that it will get prepared and we can create spin resources and we can start learning things.
I'm
Uh,
not sure if it is on Azure or AWS. After creating the account, there is something which we need to apply for to proceed and use the resources. Is that Azure
It's Azure,
or
Azure DevOps.
okay, Azure
Yeah,
DevOps? Right,
yeah.
right.
So, Srikant,
Yeah.
I just want to tell you something. In our GitHub Action or Jenkins, na, for these both tools, CI/CD tools, what we did na, for our previous clients, we created a very generic template, right? So
Hmm.
what those templates does, they actually they have the logic, this CI/CD logic, that DevSecOps logic, where we implemented this CI checks like this Git leaks or WASP and all these CI checks, as I mentioned. So we have created that template, and one is template and another one is wrapper. So what we do, we just call the template with the help of wrapper, and that wrapper helps you to deploy the application, right?
Hmm.
So Srikant, I just want to know from you in the CI part, what are the checks you want in CI? Like we follow very generic and very standard checks that we have done for the multiple clients, and they are okay with that. But if you want to add or
So
remove something.
what are all stages you would like to incorporate? Uh,
See, currently we are using this, as I mentioned, na, for this Git leaks, pre-build checks, Git leaks,
hmm.
and
Hmm.
OWASP. Then this Sonar Cube and
Hmm.
Trivy scan, and another one is this image size validator.
Okay. Should we use so many there or can we minimize that? I don't want it to have a longer pipeline initially.
Okay, then if you want minimalist, actually in CI/CD partner, there are
Hmm.
three types of CI/CD, CI actually. So first one is minimalist, second one is extensive, and third one is nightly. Okay. So what are these pipelines? So minimalist means very minimal checks on which branch, on which application there are continuously development. So there we go with this minimalist. So where what we do, we actually this run this git leaks, build and push. That's it. And for the
Mhm.
extensive, we do every checks like this git leaks, ovast, then sonar cube, then unit testing, then post build checks, this trivy scan, and then another one is image size validator. Then we push that to ecr or s3 or some other artifact management tool, right?
Okay.
And
Okay.
third one is nightly. Nightly is basically the very similar to the extensive, but it runs in the very with the cron on Jenkins or on it with GitHub Action. Okay.
Okay.
So as per you, as per our requirement, we can go with the very in between this minimalist and extensive. Okay. Very minimal checks it will it will have.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. And very important
Let
one because sorry.
Yeah. In phase one, let's go with the minimal. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
we shall include only few of the security checks there. Okay.
All right.
SAST and DAST or
Okay.
OWASP.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think we're gonna use this Git leaks and VAST because these two are very mandatory kind of checks. Because
Hmm.
somehow, if any secret key or access key of AWS or something, if it is passed in your application or repo, so it gonna fetch that, and it will
Fail the
tell you
pipeline.
the, yeah. So that will be like very mandatory checks.
Yes. Let the pipeline fail if if it finds a
Huh.
secret exposed there, and let's test it out with the secret exposed and without, so that we are everybody understands how
Uh,
it's checking.
So you are saying to me that I have to perform it right now?
No, 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 not right now. Include that in
Okay,
the
okay.
project plan.
Because we have to set up the Jenkins. Nah, huh. So what and one more add-on here, as you are saying that there are some things in our this repo. So due to that, our pipeline is getting failed, right? Right. But there are something in our pipeline that we know that it will be failed, but we just want this this feature that we want to skip that. Okay, that I know this API token is there or something is there, so due to that my git leaks tool gonna fail that, right? But
Yes.
what we want, we would just want to skip that and we just want to continue with our pipeline.
Hmm.
So in that scenario also we have created a logic so that we can skip that as well. Like we just want to skip that for now and we will fix it again, but we just don't want to stop our development.
Okay.
So that feature is also there. So that is plug and play, means you can just choose true and false, and it will be like under your control whether you want to proceed with that or not.
Yeah, that is a setting in the CI CD pipeline tool,
Right,
right?
right, right, right,
So
right, right.
whether to pass on to the next stage
Huh.
or not, or whether to have multiple stages run at the same time, or a
Right,
stage should be having a dependency on the previous stage.
right,
So yeah, there will be an option where the next stage should not be running if the previous stage fails.
right, right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
So these things are all included. So yeah, we can go with that. So currently we're gonna prepare this GitHub action template, right?
Hmm.
With a very
Okay,
minimal with very minimal checks, OWASP and with the git leaks, right? So the CI will be, I'm just repeating it again. The CI will be git leaks, OWASP, then build, then push, right?
okay. I'm okay with
Huh.
it.
Then for the CD part, it will be on EKS. For the dev and for the prod, it will be ECS.
Right.
Okay.
That's
So
right.
yeah, we're gonna prepare the code for you for this use case. So from the I think next session we gonna start initiating with some task. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So do you want to like directly jump to this demo part, or like creating the start with the project, or something else, like we just want to go through, like let you guys know like what is this tool and how it works, then we gonna create that resource. Like what do you guys want from us?
A brief summary of what is this tool will be okay. Okay, because
Okay.
everybody who are joining the projects are already trained. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, a brief.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If a tool is new to them, yeah, they will just your brief summary will be okay.
All right, all right, all right, all right. So anything, if we are performing, so we're gonna ask to like in the team if they are okay with the like with the tool. If they know something, then we can proceed with that. If they don't know, then we gonna brief that about that thing, right?
Right.
Okay. So yeah, this will be our plan, and yeah, we're gonna update the roadmap. Okay.
Also, this
Okay.
code access you'll provide us after this session, or so that we can.
I,
uh,
I have shared it. Let me play.
Also, Srikanth, if there is no Docker file was there when I believe someone was showing us the code base, I didn't see any Docker file there in the React application.
Then we need to get it created. We need to get it created. I don't think it is there already.
Okay, and there is a super base. There's currently no backend is there, so like demonstrating how backend front end interaction is going on inside Kubernetes, so it will be hard. So how will like solve this? Like currently it is using Superbase as a database and all.
Mm. So should we need to work with the development team to have the backend separated. But will that stop our deployment? As
No,
of
it will
now,
not
it's
stop. At least front end we can deploy and we can connect Superbase. But yeah, conceptually we can tell the learners who are here like how front end back end interaction can happen, but
mm.
showing them practically won't be possible because there is no backend currently in the code base.
We can ask Abhishek and team to have the backend created for deploying onto cloud because we will not be using Superbase here, right?
Yeah, backend and the database, so we can holistically cover all of the stack, the front
Of
end,
the
back
things.
end, and the database interaction inside Kubernetes. So we can do that.
Right.
So in parallel, we'll do this thing, provide us the code base access, and we'll go through that and we'll create Docker file, and then we can make all of the flow and make it documented, like the architecture we'll be following and everything like that. We can create task.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll share you the contact of Abhishek. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure.
You can be in touch with him and you can get the backend created while you're setting up the deployment. I'm sharing you the Abhishek.
Srikant,
Abhishek only.
as you mentioned that we have to implement the monitoring tool Prometheus and Grafana, right?
Datadog, what about Datadog? Because most commonly in every trainings, Prometheus and Grafana will be used.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. Okay, all right, all right.
Are there any better monitoring tools? I'm hearing these tools for years. Yeah. Any better tools in the market?
Splunk is
Uh,
also there, no?
Sorry?
Splunk.
Splunk.
It's a paid one, na? Enterprise one, na? I'm not sure.
Check if there should be a free tier for everything.
Currently, what everyone is using is this Prometheus,
Yeah,
Grafana,
Prometheus and
or
Grafana.
in case of Prometheus, someone are using Victoria Matrix, I think.
Yeah, Victoria Matrix users.
So
Let's use.
can
But
we use normally Grafana or Prometheus right now for this project?
yeah,
And so we can get some functions on the matrix.
hands-on on that.
Yeah, after that, it's only the matrix thing we have to transfer to the monitoring tool, right? So
Yeah.
I think it's up to you. It's like
Okay, fine. I'm
uh,
fine with it. so that
Okay,
whatever you
okay,
have
then.
theoretically learned, you'll see it practically. Yeah, introduction.
Okay, then. All right. Anything else?
I don't have anything for now.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, I think we are good. We'll work on this.
Hmm.
We'll create
Okay,
this doc and we'll review it and we'll came up with something Monday or Monday are like
Monday is off, right?
off all of you guys.
Monday is a holiday. Yes.
Yeah, right. Monday is
That
holiday because we had also some plans, so that's why we are asking.
Yeah,
okay,
I
no
understand.
worries.
It's a
But
long
in
holiday.
the background, we'll be making all of those things.
Yeah,
This,
we'll start doing that everything, right?
so at least groundwork will be do everything, and we'll connect with you and share everything, like whatever thing we have done, and we'll share, and we can distribute tasks, few
Sure.
small tasks.
Yeah. Don't forget to follow up with Rahul and Abhishek. Rahul for the account creation and Abhishek for backend.
Yeah, please share this. You can share with if you can share Rahul's
I already
contact.
did that.
Yeah, Rahul, could you
Rahul's
please say
contact.
hi to me in the team channel?
So Srikant, I just need to create the AWS account and hand over to them, right?
To them, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
Rahul. That will be great.
okay.
Okay, thanks. I think we are good.
Yeah, you can connect. You guys can connect on Teams easily.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, Siddhant.
Okay, team. Thank you and bye for now.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
No,
Thank you,
okay,
everyone.
thanks. Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay.